So these pads are very soft, comfortable, and very easy to wash. So like after you've used them, wash them, make sure they're dry, and you keep them in your pack that we'll give to you when you purchase them, so that you're able to use them for the next period.
Ajilongesi yatakitebe Adomei nu kesi epedoretunganan aitosom down ikariare kanoinoi isubunti jo kesi arekuju.
So if you got maybe like 2 pieces of them or 3 pieces of them, they could take one person for more than 2 years using them. They are very good, they absorb very well, and yeah, they are heavy.
Ebalangese Adomei nu kese ditetiai iswamaete ejokonoi.
The importance about those pads is that it helps the girls to save. So not only the girls, but even elderly people could use them. Helps them to save in a way that these other disposable pads, you know, at times you don't really have the money, and the season has come, and this season you can't tell it to wait. It has come and it has come. So the good thing about these pads is that after you've used them and you've washed them clean and kept them dry, the next season you don't have to worry about buying other pads.
Sheila Apolot ka morina gutikesi apotu isisia utu aisuba Adomei kwana ingarakitikesi aitach esomero.
I get some money when I take them to the shops, wholesale shops. I take them there. After I get my money, then that money I use it for my school fees. I make like 70, 80, just 18 years old.
It's a fleece material in that it doesn't stain. That is the first thing. Then inside it has a material called canvas that helps the blood not to penetrate it.
Kanuka TV East, Juliet Akelo Okumi.